Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. I'm the creator of the Divi Social Sharing Buttons Maker plugin, and today we have an update version 2.3, and in this update we've added 15 new social media networks. So we doubled the amount of networks that we have in this update. So let's take a look at those new ones. So here are all of them. So obviously half of these are new and half were here before. We tried to add as many, that are popular that we could think of. And yeah, hopefully you appreciate these. And if we've missed any, by all means, let us know. But let's see. Blogger is new, Buffer, Evernote, Flipboard, Gmail, Howls, Line, LiveJournal, Mastodon, Pocket, Skype, Snapchat, Viber, WeChat, and Yahoo Mail. Those are the new ones. So everything is still the same. Everything works the same way. You still have all like the different layouts, kind of like I have on the product page demoed here, like icon on the left or right or top, or just the icon or just the text. You can still choose all the responsive options and all the sharing options. So nothing has changed except we've added more networks. I'll just open up the module here. You can see the list here. We tried to put them in somewhat alphabetical order, but you can see there's a lot of options there now. So everything else, like I said, is the same. It's just those new options. I do have a list of those over on the blog post. So you can see here the new ones. And again, that brings us to 29 total, which is actually a lot in terms of social media networks. And so we're pretty happy with that. Hopefully you appreciate this. Yeah, I'm excited for all the new options. I hope you appreciate those. And if you have any other ones that I didn't think of, by all means, let us know and we'll add them in the future. All right, thank you, and we'll see you in our next update.